Hello, we are the Ecosystem Underdogs. For the 2024 watsonx Challenge, we have undertaken the task of improving the IBM Partner Plus experience for both IBMers working within the partner ecosystem and for IBM business partners alike. We'd like to introduce EBA. EBA is our Ecosystem Build Assistant.
I am a new IBM business partner. My firm has recently been registered as Build Partner, and we are planning to GA a new product that will embed IBM's AI technology. We want to get to a level that will entitle us to leverage IBM co-marketing as quickly as possible. So in order to do that, I visited the IBM Partner Plus portal and found EBA. I can use EBA to clarify what I need. So for instance, let me see. If I go and ask, what is IBM Partner Plus? Okay. Let me give it another try. Let's see if I want to know what program tier is RealPage Inc. That works.
As an IBMer in the partner ecosystem, I frequently find myself spending excessive amounts of time trying to find Partner Plus information about the business partners in my territory. I often need to try emailing, Slack, and other times need to create a new case to resolve questions or disputes. With EBA, a lot of that wasted time is freed up for more productive work. I can ask clarifying questions about the partner program, much like an IBM business partner can. So for example, what are the Partner Plus benefits? But I can also ask specific questions about the build partners who are part of my territory. So I can ask something like, can you tell me about Warby CMMS Consulting Inc.? Or where is RealPage located? Or what is the WWEID for ThinkRight?
So we're leveraging EBA by integrating Watson Assistant and the integration to Watson Discovery to make it possible to answer the type of questions that all of us, including our partners, are facing today. The data about the program is sourced from the Partner Plus portal website, and the corpus of unstructured documents, data about the individual IBM business partners and the relationship to the Partner Plus program, is sourced from a structural relational data set. We're using large language models to respond in a conversational manner to the series of questions, utilizing the IBM Granite 13v Chat v2 foundation models.